Hello viewers, welcome to Math Tech. I am Amish Sharma. Welcome to the lecture series of Abstract Algebra for CSIR NET, GATE, NBHM, TIFR, MSc Mathematics and IIT JAM exam. This is part 1 of lecture 4. So without a delay, let's start. Cyclic group. A group G is said to be cyclic group if there exists an element A belongs to G such that every element of G is generated by A, that is, G is generated by A, which is further written as A to the power n such that n belongs to Z. This is for multiplicative group. And for additive group, it will become n into A such that n belongs to Z. Here, the element A is known as generator of the group G. A group G which is not cyclic is known as non-cyclic group. Order of generator element of group. If A belongs to G is the generator element of group G, then order of A equal to order of G. Next is examples of cyclic and non-cyclic groups. Question number 1. Show that Z under addition is a cyclic group. In order to show Z to be a cyclic group, we have to find an element, say A belongs to Z, such that all the elements of Z is generated by A. Now 1 belongs to Z such that Z is equal to n into 1 such that n belongs to Z, means it is generated by 1. Hence, Z under addition is a cyclic group. Question 1 is an example of infinite cyclic group. Can a cyclic group have more than one generator? Answer is yes. In question 1, minus 1 also belongs to Z such that Z is equal to n into minus 1 such that n belongs to Z, means it is also generated by minus 1. How many generators can infinite cyclic group have? Infinite cyclic groups have only 2 generators. Next is note. If A belongs to G is generator of cyclic group G, then A inverse is also a generator of the cyclic group G. In question 1, minus 1 is the inverse of 1. Next is Z under multiplication a cyclic group? Answer is no. Question number 2. Show that Z under multiplication is not a cyclic group. Z under multiplication is not a group implies it is not a cyclic group. Next is Q under addition a cyclic group? Answer is no. Question number 3. Show that Q under addition is not a cyclic group. Let if possible Q under addition is a cyclic group. Implies there exists an element A belongs to Q such that Q is generated by A, which is equal to n into A such that n belongs to Z, which is not possible because we cannot find such integer which generate Q. Implies our assumption is wrong. Hence, Q under addition is not a cyclic group. In the same manner, R under addition and C under addition are not cyclic groups. Question number 4. Show that Z star under multiplication is a cyclic group. We know that Z star contains the element 1 and minus 1. Now, minus 1 to the power 1 is minus 1 and minus 1 to the power 2 is 1. Implies Z star is generated by minus 1. Hence, Z star under multiplication is a cyclic group. Question 4 is an example of finite cyclic group. Next is number of generators of a finite cyclic group. If G be a finite cyclic group of order n, then the number of generators of G is phi n, where phi is known as Euler's phi function. Example number 1. If G be a finite cyclic group of order 4, then the number of generators of G is phi of 4, which is equal to 2. Example number 2. If G be a finite cyclic group of order 10, then the number of generators of G is phi of 10, which is equal to 4. Next is results. Number 1. If G be a finite group of order n and there exists an element A belongs to G such that order of A equal to order of G if and only if A is generator of G, that is G is a cyclic group. Number 2. If G be an infinite cyclic group and an element A belongs to G such that order of A equal to order of G, that does not imply A is generator of G. Example of result 1. In question 4, order of minus 1 is 2, which is equal to order of Z star if and only if minus 1 is the generator of Z star, or you can say Z star is a cyclic group. Example of result 2. In question 1, Z is an infinite cyclic group and order of 2 is equal to order of Z, which is equal to infinity, but 2 is not a generator of Z. Is K4 a cyclic group? Answer is no. Question number 5. Prove that K4 is not a cyclic group. Order of K4 is 4 and we know that K4 does not have any element of order 4, implies there does not exist any element which will be generator of K4, implies K4 is not a cyclic group. Next is Q4 a cyclic group? Answer is no. Question number 6. Prove that Q4 is not a cyclic group. The order of Q4 is 8 and we know that Q4 doesn't have any element of order 8, implies there does not exist any element which will generate Q4, implies Q4 is not a cyclic group. Is Zn a cyclic group for all n? Answer is yes. Question number 7. Show that Zn is a cyclic group for all n. Case number 1, for n equal to 1, Z1 contain the element 0 and order of 0 is 1, which is equal to order of Z1, implies 0 is the generator of Z1. Therefore, Z1 is a cyclic group. Case number 2, for n greater than 1 belongs to Zn and order of 1 is n, which is equal to order of Zn, implies 1 is the generator of Zn. Therefore, Zn is cyclic group. Hence, Zn is cyclic group for all n. Since Zn is finite cyclic group of order n, therefore, the number of generators of Zn is phi n. Example number 1. The number of generator of Zn is phi 9, which is equal to 6. Example number 2. The number of generator of Z50 is 550, which is equal to 20. Next is Un a cyclic group for all n? Answer is no. Question number 8. Check whether U5 and U8 are cyclic groups or not. U5 contain the element 1, 2, 3 and 4. Order of 1 is 1, order of 2 is 4, order of 3 is 4 and order of 4 is 2. Now order of 2 equal to order of 3 equal to 4, which is equal to order of U5, implies 2 and 3 are generators of U5, implies U5 is a cyclic group. Next, U8 contain the element 1, 3, 5, 7 and order of 1 is 1, order of 3 is 2, order of 5 is 2 and order of 7 is 2, implies U8 does not have any element of order 4, which is equal to order of U8, implies U8 does not have any generator, implies U8 is not a cyclic group. Next, for what value of n Un is a cyclic group? Un is cyclic if and only if n is 1, 2, 4, p to the power k or 2 into p to the power k, where p is an odd prime and k is greater than or equal to 1. Example number 1, U7 is a cyclic group because n is 7 to the power 1. Example number 2, U6 is a cyclic group because n is 2 into 3 to the power 1. Example number 3, U81 is a cyclic group because n is 3 to the power 4. Example number 4, U162 is a cyclic group because n is 2 into 3 to the power 4. For what value of n Un is not a cyclic group? Number 1, Un is not a cyclic group when n is product of distinct odd primes. Number 2, Un is not a cyclic group for n equal to 2 to the power k, where k is greater than 2. Example number 1, U8 is not a cyclic group because n is 2 to the power 3. Example number 2, U15 is not a cyclic group because n is 3 into 5. Number of generators of cyclic group Un. Number of generators of cyclic group Un is phi of phi n. Example number 1, the number of generators of cyclic group U7 is phi of phi 7, which is equal to 2. Example number 2, the number of generators of cyclic group U5 is phi of phi 5, which is equal to 2. Example number 3, the number of generator of cyclic group U81 is phi of 3 to the power 4, which can be calculated as 18. Note, we have to find the generators of cyclic groups only. For example, finding generators of U8 has no meaning because U8 is not a cyclic group. Next is question number 9. This question was asked in CSIR NET exam in December 2015. For n greater than or equal to 1, let Z by Nz star be the group of units of Z by Nz. Which of the following groups are cyclic? Option 1, Z by 10Z star. Option 2, Z by 2 cube Z star. Option 3, Z by 100Z star. Option 4, Z by 163Z star. We know that Z by Nz is isomorphic to Zn, and unit of Z by Nz implies unit of Zn, which is equal to Zn star, which is equal to U of n. Now, Z by 10Z star is isomorphic to Z10 star, which is equal to U of 10, which is further written as U of 2 into 5, implies U10 is cyclic because n is 2 into p to the power k, here p is 5 and k is 1. Therefore, option 1 is right. Z by 2 cube Z star, which is isomorphic to Z8 star, which is equal to U of 8, which can be written as U of 2 cube, implies U8 is not a cyclic group. because n is 2 to the power k and k is 3. Therefore, option 2 is wrong. Next is z by 100 z star, which is isomorphic to z 100 star, which is equal to u of 100, which is equal to u of 2 square into 5 square, which is isomorphic to u of 2 square times u of 5 square, because u of mn is isomorphic to um times un if GCD of m comma n is 1. Now u of 2 square cross u of 5 square is isomorphic to z2 cross z20, because u of 2 square is isomorphic to z2 and u of p to the power n isomorphic to z p to the power n minus p to the power n minus 1. Now order of z2 cross z20 is 40, but z2 cross z20 has no element greater than 20, implies z2 cross z20 is not a cyclic group, implies u100 is not a cyclic group. Therefore, option 3 is wrong. Next is z by 163 z star, which is isomorphic to z 163 star, which is equal to u of 163, implies u of 163 is a cyclic group, because n is p to the power k, p is 163 and k is 1. Therefore, option 4 is right. Hence, option 1 and 4 are right. Question number 10. This question was asked in CSIR NET exam in June 2016. Let G equal to Z by 25Z star be the group of units, that is, the element that have a multiplicative inverse in the ring Z by 25Z. Which of the following is a generator of G? Option 1 3, option 2 4, option 3 5, option 4 6. We know that Z by 25Z star is isomorphic to Z25 star, which is equal to U of 25, implies we have to find the generator for U of 25. Since GCD of 5 comma 25 is 5, which is not equal to 1, implies 5 does not belongs to U25, implies 5 cannot be the generator of U25. Therefore, option 3 is wrong. Now, we have to find the order of 3, 4 and 6 in U25. Order of 3 is 20, as 3 raised to the power 20 is 1 under multiplication modulo 25. Order of 4 is 10, as 4 raised to the power 10 is 1 under multiplication modulo 25. Order of 6 is 5, as 6 raised to the power 5 is 1 under multiplication modulo 25. Implies order of 3 is 20, which is equal to order of U25, implies 3 is the generator of U25. Therefore, option 1 is right and options 2 and 4 are wrong. Hence, option 1 is right. Question number 11. This question was asked in IIT JAM exam in 2017. The number of generators of the additive group Z36 is equal to option A 6, option B 12, option C 18, option D 36. The number of generator of Z36 is phi of 36, which is written as phi of 2 square into 3 square, which is further written as phi of 2 square into phi of 3 square, which is equal to 12. Hence, option B is true. Question number 12. Show that if a group G is cyclic, then group G is an abelian. Let G be a cyclic group and A is generator of G, implies G is generated by A, which is equal to A to the power n, such that n belongs to Z. Let x comma y belongs to G, implies x equal to A to the power r, y equal to A to the power s, where r comma s belongs to Z. Now x into y equal to a to the power r into a to the power s, which is further written as a to the power r plus s, which is equal to a to the power s plus r, which is equal to a to the power s into a to the power r, which is further written as y into x, implies xy equal to yx for all x comma y belongs to G. Hence, G is an abelian group. For example, Zn is a cyclic group, implies Zn is an abelian group. Is Gb always cyclic group if G be an abelian group? Answer is no. For example, K4 is an abelian group but not a cyclic group. For more detail, see question number 5. Question number 13. Let G be a group and order of G is P, where P is a prime number. Then G is always cyclic, that is, a group of prime order is always cyclic. Let order of G is P, implies order of G is greater than 1. Then there exists an element A which is not equal to identity belongs to G, such that order of A divides order of G, implies order of A divides P, implies order of A is 1 or P. Since A is not equal to identity, implies order of A is greater than 1. Therefore, order of A equal to P, which is equal to order of G, implies G has an element of order P. Hence, G is a cyclic group. For example, order of G is 11, then G is a cyclic group. Is order of group GB always a prime number if group G is cyclic? Answer is no. For example, U5 is a cyclic group and order of U5 is 4, which is not a prime number. For more detail, see question number 8. Next, we have to remember some point. Point number 1. A cyclic group implies an abelian group. Point number 2. An abelian group does not imply a cyclic group. Point number 3. Non-abelian group implies non-cyclic group. Is Sn a cyclic group for every n? Answer is no. Let's check for each n. For n equal to 1, S1 contain the identity permutation and the order of I is 1, which is equal to order of S1, implies I is generator of S1, hence S1 is a cyclic group. For n equal to 2, order of S2 is equal to 2, which is a prime number, implies S2 is a cyclic group. For n equal to 3, S3 is non-abelian group, implies S3 is non-cyclic group. Result: for n greater than equal to 3, Sn is non-cyclic group. Is An a cyclic group for every n greater than 1? Answer is no. Let's check for each n greater than 1. For n equal to 2, A2 contain the identity permutation and order of I is 1, which is equal to order of A2, implies I is generator of A2, hence A2 is a cyclic group. For n equal to 3, order of A3 is 3, which is a prime number, implies A3 is a cyclic group. For n equal to 4, A4 is non-abelian group, implies A4 is non-cyclic group. Next is result. For n greater than equal to 4, An is non-cyclic group. Is Dn a cyclic group for every n? Answer is no. Let's check for each n. For n equal to 1, order of D1 is 2, which is a prime number, implies D1 is a cyclic group. For n equal to 2, order of D2 is 4, but D2 has no element of order 4, implies D2 is not a cyclic group. For n equal to 3, D3 is non-abelian group, implies D3 is non-cyclic group. Next is result. For n greater than equal to 2, Dn is non-cyclic group. Is product of two groups always a cyclic group? Answer is no. For example, S3 cross Z2 is non-abelian group because S3 is non-abelian group, implies it is a non-cyclic group. Is product of two abelian/cyclic groups always a cyclic group? Answer is no. For example, Z2 cross Z2 is non-cyclic group because order of Z2 cross Z2 is 4, but Z2 cross Z2 has no element of order 4. Results. Number 1. If G1 is a cyclic group of order m and G2 is a cyclic group of order n and GCD of m comma n is 1, then G1 cross G2 is cyclic group of order mn. Number 2. Zm cross Zn is isomorphic to Zmn if and only if GCD of m comma n is 1. Number 3. In general, Zm1 cross Zm2 cross up to Zmn isomorphic to Zm1 m2 up to mn if and only if GCD of mi comma mj is 1 whenever I is not equal to j. For example, Z3 cross Z4 is isomorphic to Z12 because GCD of 3, 4 is 1 and Z12 is a cyclic group. Note. It should be noted that G1 direct product G2 is also the representation for direct product of two groups, means this is also used for direct product. Question number 14. This question was asked in NBHM MAMSC exam in 2006. Identify which of the following groups, if any, is cyclic. Option A, Z8 cross Z8 or Z8 direct product Z8. Option B, Z8 direct product Z9. Option C, Z8 direct product Z10. Since GCD of 8, 8 is 8 and GCD of 8, 10 is 2, implies Z8 direct product Z8 and Z8 direct product Z10 are not cyclic groups. Implies option A and C are wrong. Also, GCD of 8, 9 is 1 and Z8 and Z9 are cyclic groups. Implies Z8 direct product Z9 is a cyclic group. Hence, option B is right. Question number 15. This question was asked in IIT JAM exam in 2015. Which of the following statement are true? Option A, Z2 direct product Z3 is isomorphic to Z6. Option B, Z3 direct product Z3 is isomorphic to Z9. Option C, Z4 direct product Z6 is isomorphic to Z24. Option D, Z2 direct product Z3 direct product Z5 is isomorphic to Z30. Since GCD of 2, 3 is 1, implies Z2 direct product Z3 is isomorphic to Z6, implies option A is right. Again, GCD of 3, 3 is 3, which is not equal to 1, implies Z3 direct product Z3 is not isomorphic to Z9, implies option B is wrong. Also, GCD of 4, 6 is 2, which is not equal to 1, implies Z4 direct product Z6 is not isomorphic to Z24, implies option C is wrong. Again, GCD of 2, 3, 5 is 1, implies Z2 direct product Z3 direct product Z5 is isomorphic to Z30, implies option D is right. Hence, option A and D are right. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, comment me. Thank you very much.